excited to share with you that you can now purchase a completely pre-recorded course on science of music. This course is a complete introduction for anyone of any level, any age, regardless of your background. You can purchase this. It's just 12 little videos, 5 minutes each. Watch it anytime, watch it as many times as you want, and devour the basics of music. This will start you on a musical journey. It will guide you to understand music, as well as teach you how to play the piano, play melodies, play chords, play some rhythm, and not just in a silly way, but in a way that deeply teaches you to appreciate how music works. It's a one-time purchase. You purchase this course and you watch it as many times as you want, whenever you want, wherever you want, and I'll keep updating it with new videos and new little booklets on the side to help you. You'll also be able to ask me any questions you have along the way. Enjoy.